Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix your iOS 26 battery drain problem. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is identify and tame your battery hog. So simply go ahead and head into your settings and go to battery. This is where you can simply go ahead and check your battery logs. As you can see, it will show you all the usages, like what application is taking the most amount of your screen time or your battery. Now, the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings, and inside of your settings, go down to General, look for background app refresh, and simply go ahead and turn it off for limited applications right over here. That should also go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, then you might need to simply go ahead and have a hard reset on your phone. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.